explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 6 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is adjectives, right? So let's talk about these adjectives, that what are they? So adjectives are basically the words that tell us about the nouns and the pronouns, right? They describe the nouns and the pronouns. They describe about their quality, quantity, what kind of they are, right? So all these describing words are known as adjectives. So let us begin with the chapter now and see कि हमें एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में क्या क्या चीजें यहाँ पर बताई जा रही हैं. It has been told you earlier that an adjective is a word that adds meaning to a noun. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि हमें ये पहले भी बताया जा चुका है कि एडजेक्टिव्स जो हैं वो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो हमारे नाउन के साथ और ज्यादा चीजें ऐड ऑन करते हैं, राइट? As it describes a noun, it is also called a describing word. कि क्योंकि एक नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं तो हम इन्हें डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स: द ओल्ड मैन वॉक्स डाउन द स्ट्रीट, राइट? द राइप मैंगो टेस्ट्स स्वीट. So in the above sentences, the words old and ripe are qualifying the nouns man and mango respectively. कि ऊपर ये जो sentences हैं इनमें जो words है old और ripe, ये actually qualify कर रहे हैं nouns man और mango को. Hence these are adjectives. इसीलिए हम इन्हें adjectives के नाम से जानते हैं, right? So here they say, now let us study the different types of adjectives. तो अब जल्दी से adjectives के जो अलग अलग types हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं. So there are 6 type of adjectives. कि total 6 तरीके के adjectives होते हैं. What are they? They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives, right? Now, let's study all these kinds of adjectives in detail. So, they say adjective of quality. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे adjectives of quality के बारे में. This type of adjective answers the question as to what kind of, right? कि ये जो adjective है ये आंसर करता है question जिसमें बताया जाए what kind of, यानी किस तरीके का. It describes the characteristics of a noun. कि ये एक noun की characteristics को describe करता है. So the examples: it is a cloudy day. The man is young. The umbrella is very colorful. She is an honest girl. We have adjectives of quantity. So ये adjectives of quantity क्या है? This type of adjective answers the question as to how much. It tells us about the quantity of a noun. कि ये एडजेक्टिव आंसर करता है क्वेश्चन जो कि है हाउ मच, यानी कि कितने, और ये हमें नाउन की क्वांटिटी के बारे में बताता है. सो द एग्जांपल्स: शी एट सम राइस. देयर इज इनफ वाटर इन द जग. आई वांट little sugar in my tea. Most people believe in God. We have adjectives of number. So let's talk about adjectives of number. So it says this type of adjective answers the question as to how many. कि इस तरीके के जो एडजेक्टिव्स हैं ये आंसर करते हैं क्वेश्चन जो कि है हाउ मेनी यानी कि कितने. इट टेल्स अस अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ अ नाउन कि ये हमें एक नाउन के नंबर्स के बारे में बताता है. सो द एग्जांपल्स, ऑल द चिल्ड्रन वेंट फॉर अ पिकनिक. 10 students took part in a seminar. I saw 5 fighter planes in the sky. He stood in the second row. Right? Next, we have demonstrative adjectives. So, अब ये demonstrative adjectives क्या हैं? This type of adjective answers the question as to which. It points out to a noun. It comes before a noun. कि एक demonstrative adjective जो है वो एक type of adjective है जो आंसर करता है क्वेश्चन जो कि है which यानी कि कौन सा. राइट? ये एक नाउन को पॉइंट आउट करता है. जब भी हम किसी पर्टिकुलर या स्पेसिफिक नाउन को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं तब हम डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स का यूज करते हैं. इट कम्स बिफोर अ नाउन, ये हमेशा नाउन से पहले ही यूज किए जाते हैं. राइट? सो द एग्जांपल्स, दिस ट्रेन गोज टू पटना. These books are mine. I like that lady in a blue dress. Help me pluck those flowers. Right? So, this and that are used before singular nouns. कि this और that जो है वो singular nouns के लिए use किए जाते हैं. These and those are used for plural nouns. कि these और those जो है वो plural nouns के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. This and these talk about nouns which are near to us. कि this और these जो है वो बात करते हैं nouns के बारे में जो कि हमारे पास होते हैं, which are near to us. That and those talk about nouns which are at a distance. कि that और those जो है वो उन नाउन्स के बारे में बात करते हैं जो कि हमसे थोड़ा दूर होते हैं. Then next we have interrogative adjectives. So what are these interrogative adjectives? This type of adjective simply asks questions. कि interrogative adjective जो है वो हमसे normally questions put up करता है. Words like which, whose and what act as adjectives. कि words जैसे कि what, which, who ये सभी interrogative adjectives की तरह काम करते हैं. Only when these words are placed before a noun. सिर्फ तभी जब ये words nouns के पहले place किए जाते हो. So, examples, whose bag is this? Which book is yours? What dress will you wear? Right? Now we have some points to remember. Let's see what they are saying. So in case the question word is not followed by a noun. ऐसे केस में अगर एक question word noun से पहले नहीं लिखा जाता है, then the question word will not act as an interrogative adjective. तो वो word कभी भी interrogative adjective की तरह काम नहीं करेगा. Right? Examples, what is this? Which is your house? Right? So, what and which are not interrogative adjectives here. तो what और which जो है वो interrogative adjectives यहाँ पर नहीं है. We have possessive adjectives. Let's read what are these possessive adjectives now. This type of adjective answers the question as to whose. कि इस तरीके के adjectives आंसर करते हैं क्वेश्चन जो कि है whose यानी किसका. It shows a sense of belonging कि ये हमें belonging यानी कि नहीं दो चीजों के बीच में जो रिलेशन है उसके बारे में बताते हैं. It comes before a noun और ये भी noun से पहले ही use किए जाते हैं. Right? So the examples are, my father is going to the market. Our house has a big lawn. Her hair is long. His car is red in color. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all found it easy and you all are clear with the adjectives and their kind as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.